Hi guys, my name is Space Monkey and today I'm gonna show you how to make this really cool, simplistic, minimalistic design. So it's very simple, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, so the first step, create a new file and you want to adjust your width 1920 and your height 1080 and of course your resolution to 300 ppi. Then go to content and here you can name your project, but it's not important right now. Select your image background color to white. I mean, that's not really important, and make sure image background opacity 100%. Also select this as your first layer, and then you can click create. So after your project opens, you want to go here and select a dark gray color, right? And of course you want to create a new layer, and then go up here and select the bucket filling tool and fill the whole layer. You'll get this background. So the next thing you want to do, go up here to the text tool and create the text. Gonna rename, you can rename it to literally anything. Gonna name it Monkiy, and also make sure it's all in caps. And then go up here to color and select white. Then I'm gonna apply a font to it. I like use font because it looks really simplistic, and also put the size to about 28 pixels, so that looks right. Then close the window and go up here and click on these two little guys, so the center of the canvas shows up. Then go to the moving tool and move your text out rough center a bit up a bit higher. And you can also adjust the height with your arrow keys. So that's about the center for me. So the next thing you want to do is select your vector layer, this basic layer that your text is on, and click this guy to duplicate it, and go to the moving tool, and with arrow keys move it down so it will be underneath the original. Then click back to the text tool, click on it and go here to the tool options and click edit text. Then um, then okay. Then write anything that you want. I'm gonna write because I want this to say Monkiy Industries, right? And then select everything and apply nice color to it. I'm gonna select green. This green to the bluish green, nice. As you can see it here, and the font should be the same. Then just click save and close. You can see you have to adjust it again. So go to the moving tool and with arrow keys just move it to the left, so it's rough center. So that looks about right. So then you can turn off these guys, and here you have this really nice design. But that's not the end. So you can also on these two guys some drop shadows so they stand out, and we can also put some glow to them. So the next thing you want to do is to go to this color picking tool right here and pick the color of and pick this green color. Go up here and copy the color name, this piece of code, and just Control C and then click OK. Then go right here to the left, I mean to the right, and right click on the second copy of vector layer, that's industry sign, and click on the layer style. Then right here you'll get this window where you can click on drop shadow. You have to select this box right here, and this will give a nice shadow to the text, but for me it's a bit too dark, and far away from the text. So I'm gonna lower the opacity to about 47 and distance to about 12 pixels. So looks better. Then go to the outer glow and of course check the box. As you can see, it looks really strange but that's because it has a white glow. So then you want to go here to this box where it's color and paste in the color name and click OK. So it will get the green color. You can see it looks much nicer now, but it's still glowing a bit too much for me. So I'm gonna lower the opacity to about 50%. That would look a bit better. Maybe a little lower, maybe 7%. Alright, that's alright. So the next thing, we're gonna do the same thing for the Monkiy, and you just click on the layer and right click layer style. Then we're gonna put on some drop shadow. We're gonna lower the opacity to about 40%, distance to about 12 pixels, and then we're gonna go to the outer glow and check the mark. And as you can see, we do not need to change color because the text is already white. If you want to change the color, you can change that, but I'm not gonna do it. And also bring the opacity down to about 34% as it was there, so it looks true. Then click OK to apply the settings, and that should be all. But you can also add some additional steps, and then you have to create a new layer that is going to be above the canvas layer. Then you're gonna go to the brush presets and select gray tool. As you can see, this is really too bright, so you want to go to the size, bring it down to about 250 pixels, and to the opacity, bring it down to about 6%, 4%. Then just go to this line, the line tool, and click about here, hold down shift and bring to the other side. That is still too much because the opacity went back 100%, so we're gonna drop it back to 50%, yes, and do that just again. So now you get this smoke, I guess. Looks really nice. So then we're gonna do the same for Monkiy, and if you want you can do it on a separate layer, but I'm not gonna do that. And just click back to the white color and do basically the same. Click, hold shift and move to the right, and that should be all. And now we have this really cool and simplistic and most importantly minimalistic design that you can basically have as your thumbnail, or you can have it as your YouTube banner, or basically you can make logos out of it. And that would be all. So guys, thank you for watching guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.